Breakthroughs rarely happen in isolation. Studies show most innovations begin with employees connecting across departments, sharing what they see, and building on each other's ideas. The challenge is capturing those sparks before they vanish. That's where idea sharing platforms make a difference. Here are 10 platforms helping organizations unlock the power of collective creativity. InspireIP's Idea Assist is built to turn everyday ideas into innovation projects. The tool makes idea capture easy across your existing tools like Gmail, Slack, Teams, Jira, Asana, Trello, and many more. Every idea flows into a secure SOC 2 compliant platform where teams can collaborate, track progress, and run structured challenges. With built-in discussions, the tool can turn raw input into actionable innovation projects. Leaders also get real-time visibility with analytics that highlight impact and remove bottlenecks. With Idea Assist, no idea slips through the cracks, and the innovation quotient improves across the organization. IdeaNote makes idea sharing approachable for everyone. Its standout feature is idea missions. These are structured challenges that guide submissions toward business goals, with automation that routes ideas to the right reviewers. Aha Ideas links idea capture directly to product roadmaps. The tool supports crowdsourcing ideas from employees, customers, and partners via ideas portals, and includes custom scoring and voting to evaluate ideas. This is especially helpful for product teams because it turns feedback into features that align with their strategic goals. ClickUp bridges brainstorming with execution. With whiteboards, mind maps, and custom workflows, teams can brainstorm visually and move ideas straight into tasks. BrightIdea is built for enterprises managing innovation at scale. Its drag-and-drop pipelines, gamified challenges, and mobile app make it easy to collect and refine thousands of ideas. Viima makes innovation management visual with its customizable boards. What sets it apart is a free plan with unlimited users, so organizations of any size can get started without barriers. Planview IdeaPlace connects crowdsourcing with enterprise execution. By feeding top ideas directly into portfolio management tools, it ensures innovation aligns with business priorities. Hype Innovation takes a strategy-first approach. Its AI-driven workflows help organizations not just collect ideas, but align them with business goals, scout external technologies, and measure ROI across ecosystems. Wazoku connects idea capture with delivery. It stands out by tying directly into patent workflows, making it a bridge between creativity and protection. Coda adapts to any team. With flexible templates and live collaboration, it serves as both a brainstorming hub and a project execution space. Every platform here can help you capture ideas, but InspireIP brings the complete journey together from collecting ideas across your organization to managing disclosures and protecting IP. If you're ready to build an innovation system that grows with your needs, contact us today for a demo and see how InspireIP can work for your team.